Hello guys, my name is Paul and I do many how-to videos on YouTube, so please subscribe to me and check the channels out, and also if you subscribe you will have good luck 3D printing forever. But what I'm here to tell you about today is the CTC a10s printer. This is a clone of a Cr-10 and it is an amazing price, £128. This, quite honestly, I'm very surprised how they could do it for this price. But it is sort of a scam. It's different to the one in the picture, it's lower quality. So now in this video I'm going to explain to you why this printer is so bad and why you should avoid it at all costs unless you're prepared to spend £100 or £200 upgrading it to the max. So now, let's get on with the video. Okay, one of the main things we're concerned is the print bed. Okay, so the heated bed is about 2mm thick, and that's including the magnetic bed as well, which I've no idea why it has because it's got a glass bed. But yeah, it's so thin, and it's warped beyond comprehension. It is terribly warped. Just look at that, there's like a 10mm gap in there, perhaps not 10mm, but 5mm gap. And it's such a shame because this is 2mm thick. On the Ender 3, which is a smaller printer, the heated bed is 4mm thick, which means it's a lot less prone to warping. It doesn't like move when it prints. So I think a more expensive bed that's slightly thicker would improve this machine. But there's many other problems as well. So it's such a shame that they couldn't increase the price by £10 and add a £20 heated bed, which would make this printer a lot better. Also, one of the printer plastic wheels on a heated bed is seized through like the plastic or rubber of the wheel has seized in the bearings. It doesn't spin as freely. And also, you see the aluminium extrusions, they aren't the proper extrusion you get in Ender 3, they're lower quality stuff, which I think the dimensions sort of change because with the, I forgot what you call it, the carriages for the wheels, you can't actually get it properly tight. So no matter how much you turn the screw, the wheels will always freely spin on the bottoms. So like this bottom wheel here spins, which is quite a shame. But worst thing in this printer at all is that the bottom extrusion is not actually aluminium. Or it might be aluminium, it's very thin, it's sheet metal. And you see, for a tall printer, I'm not sure you can see in the camera, but it wobbles so much. And I guess if you do like a tall print about perhaps 20 centimeters tall, you're going to get lots of wobble and ringing in a print, which is terrible. But yeah, so it is quite a good printer, it's quite quiet. You can print mediocre prints, not too bad. And did a XYZ X cube, or YZ X cube, pretty well. The prints are really strong, but it has this weird surface artifacts. I think it's because of the dual axis, which somehow been included for a £128 machine. This is cheaper than an Ender 3. There's also another problem I have with this printer, that the first few layers stick to the bed fine, but then the fourth layer seems to shift slightly, but also stay stuck to the print, and it prints like, so it means you have to take off your third 3 layers. I'll do a close up here so you can see it. Also, this printer didn't come with blue decorative detailing, which it should have done. But honestly, this printer can't print anything bigger than this. It'll just fail because the bed is so warped. Really, if you want to buy a printer, please buy the Ender 3. I know it's slightly more expensive, and it's a smaller build area, but it's so much better. The bed ruins it. But one nice thing it comes with a filament run-out sensor, which the Ender 3 doesn't. It comes with practice filament as well. It comes with a good power supply. Actually it does, it's a minimal power supply in there. All the electrics are safe, so I checked them. And it's a pretty quiet machine. But the cat fan doesn't ignore sometimes, but it goes away. So it's not too noisy. It has got silent drivers in the printer as well, which isn't bad. It has got dual Z axis. Yeah, so really, I'm so sad that this printer couldn't work, because it's so close to working. It is. All it really needs is all extrusion, proper extrusion like an Ender 3, and it needs a thicker heated bed and better quality pulley wheels. I think call it all V-track wheels it needs, and it'd be fine. Honestly, it will be. It'd be a good printer. But please don't buy it because it is a scam, pretty much. The eBay listings, it isn't the same printer on an eBay listing. On an eBay listing, it's a real Cr-10s on eBay listing. And you don't receive it. You receive something. You don't even receive a copy of it. It's different. But so please don't waste your money on this machine. And it is so close to being very good. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please remember to subscribe and please comment how I can improve my videos. Many thanks. Peace out. To make this printer work, I had to take it all apart from scratch and realign the x-axes as they were terribly aligned and they just wouldn't move in sync. And it's sort of it were like angled slightly, so as it's going up, it was like stopping the other side going up, you know what I mean? But it's quite hard to explain, and this is all I got. So I'm really disappointed, and it's such a shame.